Hello friends, welcome to me Akshara Vlogs. Today's vlog is all about education and English grammar video. In today's vlog we will be learning about what is the sentence, what is the predicate and what is the subject, what is the object and what is the structure of a sentence. Okay, now let us first understand what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense. Let us understand this by taking an example. He is 5 years old. Is this a sentence? Yes. But why? Because all the words are formed in a correct way so that it is giving a complete sense or a complete meaning to the sentence. Now, let us rearrange the above sentence in other order like all 5 years is he. Does it make any complete sense? No, hence it is not a sentence. There are some rules we should take care while writing a sentence. First one is each sentence should begin with a capital letter, and the second point is each sentence should end with a full stop or question mark or exclamatory mark. So I think you all understood what is a sentence, right? Now let us discuss about what is a predicate and what is a subject. In the sentences, the persons or the things which are being spoken about form the subject of that sentence. Let us understand this by taking an example. The boy is going to the school. In this sentence, who is being spoken about? It is the boy, right? Hence, the boy is the subject of that sentence. Next, coming to the predicate. What is the predicate? The part of the sentence which tells us something about the subject of the sentence is known as the predicate of that sentence. So, in above example, what is the predicate? Is going to school is the predicate because it tells about the boy who is the subject of that sentence. So, in the above sentence, the boy is the subject and is going to the school is the predicate. Next, what is an object? An object can be a person, a place or a thing that receives the action of the verb. So here we can assume that the object is something done to it. So in the previous example, the boy is going to the school. School is the object. So here school is the word which receives the action. Is going is the verb. So verb can be defined as the action word or doing word. So as previously I told you, the boy is the subject and is going to the school is the predicate. Now let us discuss about the structure of a sentence. So in general, the structure of the sentence follows the order subject plus verb plus object. Now let us understand this by taking the example the boy is going to the school. In this example, the boy is the subject, is going is the verb and school is the object. In general, most of the sentences follows this structure, but there are another 4 types of sentences and we will discuss these 4 types of sentence structures now. Now, the first structure is subject plus verb. In this form, we find only subject and verb in the sentence. Now, let us understand this by taking the example, the boy eats. In this example, we find that the boy is the subject and eats is the verb. Now, the second form is subject plus verb plus adjective form. Here we find subject, verb and adjective in the sentence. We can learn in detail about the parts of speech in our upcoming videos. There you can understand what is the noun, adjective, adverb. But for now, we understand that adjective is something which describes the noun. In the example, the boy is sad. Boy is the subject, is the verb and sad is the adjective because sad is the word which describes the boy. The third structure is subject plus verb plus adverb form. Here In this form, we follow the order subject, verb and adverb. Now let us take an example. The boy jumps fastly. Here, the boy is the subject, jumps is the verb, fastly is the adverb. Now let us think, what is the adverb? Adverb is the word which describes the verb and how it has been done. Now the fourth form is subject plus verb plus noun. Here we come across the subject, verb and noun in the sentence. Now let us understand this by taking an example. The boy is the student. Here the boy is the subject, is the verb and student is the noun. Now what is the noun? Noun is the name of the person, place or thing. Here the student is the common noun. There are common nouns and proper nouns which will be discussed in our upcoming videos. That's it friends for today. I think I have explained to the best of my knowledge. Hope you all understood what is the sentence, subject, predicate, object and the structure of the sentence. Friends, if you feel that it is useful, please like, share and comment us. Also don't forget to subscribe Me Akshara Vlogs and press on bell icon. Thanks for watching.